Hi, if you'd like to learn a simple way to make over easy eggs, then this is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Chef Edward, and I've been a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks I've learned along the way. So what you'll need is eggs, a spatula, a pan on low to medium heat, and a little bit of butter, just so the eggs don't stick. So what we are going to do is we're going to take our eggs, we're going to crack them, and put them in our bowl. And eggs off. Now we're going to cook them. Okay, we have our pan. It's on a decent heat right now. So you have it on a low to medium flame. When the butter is melted like so, this is a great time to add the eggs. Just going to add them one at a time. And this should take about a minute or two on each side, and it should be ready to go. Okay, you can see our egg is ready to flip. It's more, the egg whites are white. Now you just give it a nice flip. Now it's going to be 1 minute on each side. Once you flip it, okay, the egg's ready to come off. So I'll take it off, flip it, there you go. This one needs 30 more seconds. All right, I took both off. Okay, and now it's ready. So you could see the egg whites are fully cooked, and what makes it over easy is the egg yolks, as you can see, are nice and soft. So let's try it out. Now that's a good over easy egg. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching.